Good morning, student. Today we will start exercise 3.2 remaining sums. Previous session up to question number 9 it was done. I am speaking about class 9 advanced math. Today I will start with question number 10 Roman 1. Question number 10 Roman 1, they have given the value of log 2, log 3 and log 7, and you have to show that 21 by 20 whole to the power 100 greater than 100. So let me start. Here log 2 value given. Log 2 value is log 2 value 0.30103. You can mention here 0. Log 3 value it is 0.47712. Log 7 value 0.8451. I have to show 21 by 20 whole to the power 100 greater than 100. So I have to find the value of 21 by 20 whole to the power 100. To find this value, I will take log of this. Okay, and the last I will remove this log. So 100 will come in the coefficient. So it is log 21 by 20. Here base nothing means 10. So it is 100. Log 21 means 21 by 20 means log 21 minus log 20. So you can't use now here log table. You have to use the value which is given here. So log 21 means you can write 3 into 7 and 20 you can write 4 into 5. 4 into 5 means 2 square into 5. 2 square into 5. Okay, take the screenshot. I will rub the upper part. Take the screenshot. So in case of log, if it is into, it will become plus. So it is here 100. Log 3 into 7 means log 3 plus log 7 minus, let me put in bracket, log 2 square means 2 log 2 into will become plus, it is log 5. Close the bracket. 100 log 3, later and last I will put the values. Here it is 2 log 2. Log 5 value is not given, minus plus minus. Log 5 you can write 10 by 2. 10 by 2. Okay. So it is here now 100 log 3 log 7 minus 2 log 2 minus log 10. Let me put inside bracket, otherwise you will get confused. Divide means minus log 10 minus log 2. Log 10 minus log 2. Okay. Now I will go on putting the value. Log 3 value is 0.47712. Log 7 value 0.8451. Log 2 value 0.30103. Log 10 value is 1. Because we are speaking of common logarithm, so base is 10. Log 10 value is 1. I will remove the bracket also, minus minus plus, and log 2 value is 0.30103. So now we will go for the final calculation. So it is 0.47712 plus 0.8451. So it is 1.3. Okay, and if you multiply here, it will be 2 3 just 6, 0 2 1 2, 2 3 just 6, decimal before 5 digit, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 will be your minus 1. So not minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus this, just a minute, 1 minus 0.30103, you will get minus of 0.69897. Okay, by chance while doing, if I do any calculation wrong, please rectify the mistake by yourself. Okay, now what is the final? 1.3222 minus 0.60206 minus 0.69897. So it is 100 into 0.0217 2117, sorry, 0.0217. If you multiply it, you will get 211700. Decimal before 4 digit, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So it is here, sorry, it is 2.5, no, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, 2 point something. If you remember, while finding out the value of 21 by 20 whole to the power 100, I have taken, okay, you can keep it this one, 2 point this much. Okay, take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. It is 2 point, okay, 2.11700. I have to show 21 by 20 whole to the power 100 greater than 100. So now I will do the second part. Again, what is the other part? It is 100 here. So I will find out log 100. So log 100 you can write 10 square. Log 100 you can write 10 square. So 100 means 10 square. So it is 2. So it is 2 log 10. So 2 into 1, 2. So ultimate value what you got? 21 log 21 by 20 whole to the power 100 value is this, and log 100 value is this. So this is the bigger one. So you can easily write now log 21 by 20 whole to the power 100 greater than log 100. Okay, you got this. Now this implies both side log you can cancel. This implies log 21 base 20 whole to the power 100 greater than 100. Take the screenshot. This is the final solution of this part. Okay. Now we will go for Roman number 2. 10 Roman 2. 10 Roman 2. 10 Roman 2. What it is given? 10 to the power 11 greater than 11 to the power 10. You have to show that 10 to the power 11 greater than 11 to the power 10. So this is 10 Roman 2. So to find out the value of 10 to the power 11, same case, I will take log 10 to the power 11. So it is 11 log 10. So 10 value you know 1. So it is 11. Again, the other also to find out the value. To get the value of 11 to the power 10, I will take here log. I will simplify by taking log. So 10 log 11. So it is 10 log 11. Whenever we find out log of any value, it has two parts, characteristics and mantissa. So 2 digits. So 1.11. So 11 0. You will see 11 0 because there is no more digit. It is 11 here. 11 0 it is 0 414. 0 414. So what we will get? 104140. 104140. So decimal before 4 digit, 1 2 3 4. So it is 10 point something. So here we got 11, here we got 10. So ultimately you can write here, therefore log 10 to the power 11 greater than log, therefore log 10 to the power 11 greater than log 11 to the power 10. This implies 10 to the power 11 greater than 11 to the power 10. Take the screenshot of this part. Okay, take the screenshot. It is 11 to the power 10. Hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt in the comment section. Another thing I want to say, do subscribe the channel, okay? If you do subscription, then you will get automatically whatever update I do. Previous what happened, one video was uploaded but you people missed the video. Later I have to send it again. So I repeat again, do subscription of the channel, then you will automatically get all the updation done by me. Now 11, go for 11a. If I go for 11a, so what does it say? 11a is based on compound interest. Compound interest we got in class 7 as well as in class 8. A sum of money is invested in compound interest. It means a sum of money is invested means you have deposited some money at the rate of 5% per annum. In how many years will the money be doubled? In how many years will it be doubled? If you find out number of years, a sum of money was deposited, okay, and you have to find out number of years in which it will become double. Rate of interest is given 5%. Here they have mentioned there are two types of interest, simple interest, compound interest. Here they have given compound interest. You don't know what amount of money you are depositing, so you will write let the sum of money be rupees X. So and how much it will become after a definite interval of time? It will become double, means 2x. So I will write here let the sum of money be rupees X. Sum of money means principal is X. What will be your amount? Amount will be double. Amount equal to rupees 2x. Since it is compound interest, we will use the formula for compound interest for finding out the amount. So amount formula is A equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. So here A is your 2x, P is your x, R is unknown to you. It is R is known to you. It is 5%. So 5 by 100. You have to find the value of n. Okay. So 2x by x equal to, here if you simplify it, 100 and 100 plus 5 is 105 whole to the power n. So here x you can cancel it. To get the value of n, I will use now log. I have to use log both sides. So here it is 2, it is log 2, and if I take log this side, power will come in the coefficient n. It is log 105 by 100. So it is log 2 is 0.30103 and log 105 by 100 means log 105 minus log 100. I am adding here directly 10 square. 100 is 10 square. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. Okay. Take the screenshot. So next, let me wrap this upper part. So this implies it is 0.30103. So n, you have to find the value of log 105. There are 3 digits, so it is 2 point, and you will search for 10.5 in log table. So 10.5 it is 0212. So 0212 minus the power will come before, so it is 2, and log 10 value we know 1. So it is 0.30103 and into, if I do subtraction, I will get 0.0212. I have to find the value of n, so it is into, it will come here. When it will change the side, it will come 0.30103 upon 0.0212. It is n. So I will divide it now. Okay. You have to do all this divide manually. I will use here calculator. 0.30103. 30103 divided by 0.0212. So it is 14.19 and equal to 14.19. Okay, let me check the answer what it is given here. So it is question number 11a, it is given here 17.7. 17.7 it is given. If I see this, 2x equal to x, 2x by x, x's cancel, log table 0.30103, 100 plus 5, 105, 3 digit, so it is 2.105 is your 105 is 0212, okay, and here it is 100 means 10 square 2. So if you do subtraction, it is 2 only, so still 2.0212 minus 2, you will get 0.0212. If you divide this 0.30103 divided by 0.0212, it is 14.19. Now let me say I got this answer. Maybe I have not find out any mistake. If while doing, if you find any calculation mistake, rectify it, because the answer did not match with the given answer. Okay, in the book it is given 17.7 and I got 14.19. I have not find any mistake here, but if you people find it, then rectify the mistake. Okay, amount formula is a equal to p 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. Formulas and everything are correct. Just while calculating this sum, you do it with full attention, so that if any mistake I have done, you can rectify by yourself. Okay, now 11b, the process is same. Okay, the process is same. You have to continue in the same manner. Maybe I have done mistake in plus minus, or may not be also. Okay, I may do, I may not do. See, if I do it, you rectify the mistake by yourself. Next, find the principal amount which becomes rupees 12,000 after 15 years, calculating in compound interest at the rate of 5% per annum. Same case here. If you find the principal amount, p equal to question mark. What is the amount? It is 12,000. A equal to rupees 12,000. 12,000. Your n is given here 15 years. Okay, and r is your 5%. 5% per annum. So since it is compound interest, I will use the formula for compound interest, p 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. So amount value is given here 12,000, p is unknown, r is given 5 by 100 and n is your 15. Okay, so 12,000 equal to p, here it is 100 plus 5 whole to the power 15. To solve it quickly, I will take log both sides, because if I go to break, it will be a long one. Power is 15. Here it is log, it is p, log p, then 105 by 100 whole to the power 15. Between p and this bracket there is no sign, means into will become plus, which I will write now. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. Okay, take the screenshot. Now I will use the values later. It is 12,000. Here it is into, it will become plus, log p plus, into will become plus, so it is log 105 by 100 whole to the power 15. It is 105. So here it is 1 2 3 4 5, so it is 4.120. 12 if you search in log table, it is 0792. Here it is log p. Power always comes in coefficient, it is divide, so it will become minus log 105 minus log 100. Okay, I am writing it here, minus log 100. Okay, I repeat again, log p, power comes in the coefficient, log this by this means minus. So here no changes, log p plus 15. Here you see 105. So 105 means 3 digits, so 2 point. You will see 10 5. 10 5 is 0212. 0212. And log 100 means 2 log 10. Because 100 you can write 10 square. So it is 2 log 10 means 2 into 1. 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So because 100 you can write 10 square. So 2 will come in the coefficient and log 10 value is 1. So here it is 4.0792. Here it is log P plus 15 into, if you do minus, you will get 0212. 0.0212. So it is here 4.0792 equal to log P. This 2 to do multiplication. 15 into 0.0212. So it will be, just a minute, 15 into 0.0212. So it will be 0.318. So let me shift this on the other side. 4.0792, it was plus, it will become minus 0.318. It is log P. If I do minus 4.0792 minus 0.318, it will be 3.7612 equal to log P. I have to find this point, okay? The point I am just giving a little bit big enough so that it becomes clear when you see the video. Okay, these are all point. Okay, these are all point. So I have to find the value of P. So from P, if log will be removed, it will come here. It will come here anti-log, which I have said earlier. So it is 3.7612 equal to P. So when you search for anti-log, 76 1 and 2, 76 1 and 2, 76 1 is 5 7 6 8, and mean difference is 2. 76 1 and mean difference 2 is here 3. So 3 if I add up, it will be 8 3 11. So it will be 5 8 3 11, 1 carry 7, and here 7 equal to P. So here characteristics is 3, so decimal after 4 digits. So 5771. Let me check the answer. Okay, it is correct. So you can write here in the book, it is given 5771.70. No problem, 5771. So this is your final answer. Take the screenshot. 5771. 5771. Okay, hope it is okay, clear. Now we will go for the last sum of this exercise, question number 12. So question number 12, they have said the formula for determining the volume of a sphere. We all got this formula earlier also, in class 9 also there it is there. Formula of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, here volume is given 15.5 cubic centimeter. You have to find out the radius, and pi value you have to take as 3.142. You have to use this pi value only. You can't use 22 by 7. Whatever value of pi is given in the question, you have to use that particular value. So let me write volume of the sphere given how much? Volume of sphere equal to 15.5 centimeter cube. Volume of the sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube 15.5. You will use pi value as 3.142 into r cube equal to 15.5. So let me do calculation. 4 into 3.142. So it is 4 into 3.142. So it is 12.568. 12.568 divided by 3, you will get 4.1893. 1893 r cube equal to 15.5. So let me take this on the other side. It will be 15.5 divided by 4.1893. To get the value of r, I will take log both sides. So it is log r cube and log here 15.5 divided by 4.893. So here we will get 3 log r. Divide means minus, it will become 15.5 minus log 4.1893. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this part. Okay, taken. Hope it is clear. Now I'll use the log table to put the values. So it is 3 log r equal to, here there are 2 digits in integral part, so it is 1 point, and log table you will see 15.5. 15.5. So 15.5 is 1903. 1903 minus, here 1 digits, so 0 point. In the log table you will see 41.8 and 9. 41.8. So 41.8 it is 6212. 6212. 41.8 it is 6212, and the value of 9. Common difference 9, it is 9. So it is 9 to 11, 1 carry 112, 6, 6, 221. 6, 221. So here what did they say? 3 log r. So I will subtract it now. 1.1903. Sorry, 1.1903 minus 0.622. Sorry, 221. So it will be 0.5682. Okay. So log r. So 3, when you shift on the other side, it will become divide. So log r equal to 0.5682. 0.5682 upon 3. So let me divide it by 3. So if I divide it by 3, it will be 0.1894. So it is log r. I have to find only the value of r. So to find the value of r, okay, this implies r equal to, you have removed the log, so on the other side you will get anti-log 0.1894. So if you see the anti-log table, 18.9 and 4, mean difference 4. 18.9 and mean difference 4. 18.9 is 1545. 1545 and mean difference it is 1. So 1546. You will get 1546. Okay. Characteristic 0, decimal after 1 digit. 1.546 is correct. So therefore radius equal to 1.546 centimeter. Okay, this centimeter. Take the screenshot. Okay, take the screenshot of this. It is 1 point. Okay, this is not distinct, so let me make it a little bit deep enough. It is 1 point, 0 point. Okay, these are all point. Okay, little bit deep I have given so that it gets distinct. Okay, so it's 1.546. This is correct. In the answer it is given 1.548. So you don't worry, this is the correct one. So this is all about exercise 3.2. Why you will not get the solve of question number 4. Question number 4 I have not done. First you people try at home. Okay. First you people try at home, because it will be same like example number 5. First you try at home. The sums which you are unable to do, that will be explained later. Okay. So 3.2 is over. I take it as granted that it is over. And the other thing, there are some doubts I think from question number 9, exercise 3.1. Okay, next session I will do the remaining portion of exercise 3.1. Okay, remaining sums, some sums are left from question number 9. That sums I will do, and I will go for chapter 1, exercise 1.1, exercise 1.2. So next session I will go for exercise 1.1, 1.2 and the remaining sums of exercise 3.1 question number 9. 3.2 question number 4 you will try at home. By chance if you don't get answer, you please pass your comment in the comment section. Okay, so note all this in your copy, read sincerely, don't waste your time, and for today this much only. Bye. Thank you. Stay home and keep learning.